people on. We're just cooking. What are we making, Coen?
Big tacos.
Tacos, yeah. We're making tacos on the Vette channel today. Welcome back to the YouTube channel. My name's Trevor. That is Coen, and he is cooking some hamburger to make some tacos. We got our taco seasoning over there, some lettuce, and some shredded cheese. Whew.
Oh gosh, it's hot.
This is what it's all about, huh?
That is hot.
It's hot, so don't touch it. I just wanted to capture this moment. It'll probably end up in a different video with a bunch of other little compilation videos like this. So, oh no, we don't put the seasoning in there yet. We gotta ground our beef up.
What is it, Dad?
It says taco seasoning.
Oh. What?
And that's lettuce. Yeah, it's cold. Lettuce is cold. It came out of the fridge.
Yeah.
You know, you gotta, while I'm home quarantined, I may as well teach them some life lessons, right? That'll actually help them later on.
Dad.
Yes? Do you hear it sizzling? Do you hear it?
Yeah.
Yeah? Okay. It scared you. It's just called grounding up the beef. It's gonna make us some Taco John's, taco pizza, tacos.
I don't eat yet.
You don't want to eat yet?
No,
Bro, it's almost 1 o'clock.
I don't want to eat this.
Oh, you just want to eat the cheese?
Yeah.
You just want to eat the cheese.
Yeah.
Okay, little goofball. We can have some cheese. Alright, we're going to cut to another clip. Put you guys in the set. Cheese good? Yeah! Should they drop thumbs up if that's some good cheese? Yeah, I say so too. We're getting our beef grounded still.
Dad, I made the other one. I made it all day.
And should we become a cooking channel? I feel like I've been cooking a lot lately.
Dad, I made
The other day, yeah, hit that thumbs up, ring that bell, also click that subscribe button. Coen knows it best. Look, you can get your 3-year-old an Arctic Vette t-shirt and they'll rock it, right? Yeah. Yeah, he's getting bigger and he's gonna rock even more merch, huh?
Yeah.
Because you're pretty proud of your daddy, huh?
Yeah, Bob.
He
Right
always-
now.
Yes.
And I'm making tea.
I honestly
And
think
I put it
that
right now.
Coen is my top supporter because he always comes up to me and goes, "Daddy, that's your shirt. Daddy, that's your hoodie. That's your hat. That's you, Daddy." And he got the biggest grin on his face.
Dad, bill on it.
Smell that cheese? Okay, let's let him smell it. You guys smell that? Mmm, yummy cheese. How's our hamburger looking? It's getting there. You know, it's kind of difficult to do with one hand, but it works. The other two hooligans are in there playing Fortnite. Don't eat all the cheese, you little cheese eater. Is there any cheese left in there? Okay. I want some for my taco, okay? Good. Good. Good job. Learning how to make tacos. Yee!
I need more.
Yep, we gotta stir it now.
Dad, what? Dad, I need more. Dad, I need
Here's our little dirt bike vlog. They managed to sink the dirt bike into the dirt. What do you have to say, Audie?
nothing.
You can do it for Dale?
Uh-huh. Wow. Kind of like doing it. Why me?
Oh my goodness. this. But it's not in gear, is it?
It's not.
Okay. I am. Don't, just whatever you do, don't put it in gear, Coen. Okay, I'm watching. This will be the moment when Coen takes off. Don't put it in gear. No. No, 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 no.
Yeah.
Do it, Coen.
Hold it down.
Give us some gas. Give us some gas. Do it. I really don't want today to be the day that Coen learns how to ride the bike without training. Watch out, Coen! Woo. Oh my gosh, let's look at that hole. Oh my gosh, let's fix that.
This is how we got stuck. Come in, stop. This is how we got stuck. I already tipped it out, but it got stuck right here.